This is my current attempt at making that little gasket for the drill to the drill press. Now the previous attempt didn't go quite right. There it is. And the current attempt does seem to be printing quite reasonably. And it's a very slow process on this easy 3D printer, but it does seem to work. So I shall have to measure that when it finishes, which might be sometime in the next half hour or so, and we'll know then whether I have a success or a failure. Well, it looks very much as if this thing has stopped printing. Let me see if it has printed anything worth having. Okay, let's... There we go. I'll have to punch that out. Let's see if it fits. Seems to be fairly tight. Yeah, it does seem to fit. Well, that's very good news. Now, is it the same diameter? Feels about the same. Definitely feels about the same diameter. Okay, well, let's try it. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Oh yes, that fits. That's good. So what I have to do now is pretty straightforward. I have to knock this bit of blanking out there, which shouldn't be very hard. It's very, very thin. Knock that out, put a slight slit down there so that this thing will compress when I clamp it, and clamp that drill very tightly. Okay, looks like we have success. That's the first 3D printed thing I've done that's ever actually worked properly. I hope. Might be taking things too literally there, but we'll just see.